Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner. And the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. From now on, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 of course, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on this kind of timer icon. It will be highlighted in this grayish color, and from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.